Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep, and guys, if you are new here, welcome to the family. Here we just have fun, educate and entertain, guys. So guys, in today's video, guys, I'm going to do makeup for the first time on camera, guys. So with me here I have my brushes. These are my brushes, as you can see. Then my concealer. This is the way it looks. Then I have my makeup kit. This is my makeup kit. This is the way it looks. Yeah, this is my makeup kit. Then my powder, I use green tea powder. Here you have my lipsticks, my 2 sponges, then finally my foundation. I also use green tea foundation. So guys, welcome to the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. You are in road to 300 subscribers, guys, so let's keep subscribing and support your girl. So let's get to the video and see how my makeup turns out. Guys, I'm not good in drawing eyebrows, but yeah. First I'm going to brush the eyebrows upwards, brushing the eyebrows upwards like this. You can see with this small brush. Then I'm going to try. Guys, this is the way I've done my eyebrows. But I'm going to use this concealer to shape them. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to see how it will come out. Yeah, stay tuned and see how this makeup will turn out. Makeup by Mary Chep. Yes. So I'm going to use my concealer to shape them. This way. So the concealer is going to shape out my eyebrows the way I want them to look. So this is how I'm doing it. Just do this way. Guys, this is how my eyebrows are turned out. I don't know how it looks. Have I nailed it? Yes, I've nailed it. Guys, this is how the eyebrows are turned out. Guys, this is how the eyebrows are turned out. I don't know if I've nailed it. Guys, next we are going to put the concealer. This is how it looks. So we are going to put patches on my face. I'm going to put patches on my face. Guys, after putting patches of concealer on my face, I'm going to use this sponge to make sure every part of the face has the concealer. So this is what I'm going to do. Guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Just to do. Guys, I want just you to rate my makeup. How makeup? On the scale of 1 to 10, where can you rate my makeup skills? So we are going to make sure even under the eyes, the nose, forehead. Guys, I'm done with. You see the face, every place the patches are gone. So next we are going to put the foundation. Like I said, guys. Sorry guys, like I said, this is the foundation I'm using. I'm using green tea foundation. Green tea foundation. So as well, I'm going to apply. So guys, I'm going to make sure every part of my face has foundation. So guys, I'm going to use this sponge. Make sure every part of my face has a touch of to make sure every part of my face has foundation. So even here, you apply every part so that you make sure all sides are even. Guys, after putting the foundation, this is how it turned out. Yes. So this is the look after putting the powder. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and this is my eyeshadow place. There you go. Guys, I'm going to use this brush to apply my shadow. I don't know which color I'm going to use, guys. I'm going to use this color. I don't know if it's red. Touch of. So I put red in a touch of pink. So this is the pink. I'm going to put. So guys, this is the way it has turned out. So guys, I'm going to put a little white here.
Yeah,
I'm going to put white a little bit here on the eyes. Then guys, I forgot to put, before putting my eyebrows, I was supposed to put my powder. So as the same case, I'm using green powder, green tea powder I mean. So I'm going to apply my powder. Guys, we are applying lipstick, and here I have a set of lipsticks. These are my lipsticks. I think I'm going to go with this color. I don't know which color this one is, but I'm going to go with this color. So I'm almost done. Guys, this is a nude color, but I'm going to blend with another color so that I bring out. Now I'm going to blend with this. I don't know if it's red or which color is it. Let's see how it turns out. Boom, this is how it looks. After blending the two colors, this is the color I've come out with. So guys, I'm going to use the eye pencil to highlight. So guys, here's my eye pencil. I'm going to highlight it all through. So let's get it. Boom, guys, this is how it turned out after highlighting it with my eye pencil. So this is how it looks. This is the final makeup that I've done for myself. Guys, this is how it looks finally after doing my makeup for myself. How can you rate me? Rate me in the comment section. How do I look? But I think I need to go for eyebrows classes because see how I've done. But I think I've done a perfect job. Guys, comment down below and say rate my makeup skills. This skill is just a diva. So guys, this will come to the end of the video.